Welcome to the remote learning session. I am Navdeep, working as PGDIP in Cambridge International School, ZUA. So today we will have another topic on Python. So as you can see from the slide, our topic is Introduction to Data Frame. So data frame is basically object that is a part of Pandas library. So before going into the topic, so students, you can see in the syllabus that pandas are basically the part of the unit number 1, that is data handling using pandas. So we are using this one and we are studying data frame under this portion of the syllabus. Now the very first question is how to create the data frame. So for creating the data frame, we will have a live session clear how we will be creating a data frame in Python. So first of all, open your Jupyter notebook. So here start typing for creating the data frame. First is import pandas as PD. First step is I am writing here under a comment initialize data of list. We will be creating two lists. Input the values data is equal to the first variable is name. So we can enter the name of students. And first is Brahman. Amrit, Harry. Then entering the second column, let's say we want to enter the age of the students. Colon, enter the age in numerics, 20 years, 21, 90. So we have entered two parameters. One is the name of students and then is their age. Now next step is basically how to convert this data into a data frame. So students, here important thing is here we have used list. List 1 contains the name of students, list 2 contains the age of the students, and combined together, see these braces basically represents the data dictionary. So it is the use of list data type also as well as the data dictionary. So next is create the data frame. So let's say name of my variable is df pd pandas data frame object and input data that we have entered here. Next I want to print this one, print df. So we are finally done. Just run this one and you can see here the data is now represented in the form of rows and column. We have two columns, name and age, and these are the names of the students with their respective age. So this is how we are going to create the data frames. Now we are going to solve a problem using data frame. So what is the question here? Write the pandas program to select the name and score columns from the following data frame. So first is you have to create this clear, this data clear. So here we have made use of, first is we have created the list, name list, score list, attempt, qualify list, and combined into a dictionary. And then is how to convert into a data frame, and second step is to select the names column only and score column. Only two columns should be displayed in the output part. Now see how it is done in Python. So dear students, for the simplicity, I have already written that code, clear, for faster execution. So you see here, first we have to import pandas, numpy, clear. Then we have just created the name list, score, attempts, qualify. So this is the data in the form of list and combined together. I have already explained you this braces basically represents that we are combining the list and we have made it a data dictionary. Data dictionary is basically, it consists of the keys and then their corresponding values. Here name is acting as a key, these are its values. Score is acting as a key, these are acting as its values. Attempts, its values, and so on. Similarly, again, to convert exam data to a data frame, this is the statement that we are going to use, clear, that I have highlighted here. This is to convert this exam data to a data frame. And ultimately, when we want to select only two columns, this is the code you see here in the print. In df part, what we have to do, we have to select only the selective columns, that is the name and score of the candidates, clear. So when you execute this one, so you will find the following output on your screen. So this is the simple one, how to create a data frame and then just to display the information. So this is how we have solved this one. Next we'll be solving another problem. Dear students, I have picked a similar problem. You see here the question is same. Clear, the question is 100% same, name and score we want to display these selective columns, and we have added another list, that is the labels. Now we want to label the information. Now see how the labels are basically used, clear, that we will demonstrate with the help of the program. Now switch over to Python. You see here I have already written the code, clear. So this time we have added another list, that is the labels. Now we want to do the labeling, and how we are going to represent these labels into the data frame. We'll be adding another attribute. You see here, for labeling, the labels we want to represent in the output part. So the first parameter is exam data of the data frame, and the second parameter is index. So index is equal to label. So if we enter index is equal to label, so labels will be the part of the output. Rest part is same, select the specific columns. This is how to display the output part. And in the output part, you can see on this left hand side ABCD. So from where this ABCD is basically representing, these are the labels. These are my labels, clear. Then I incorporated those labels into the data frame, and then ultimately they became the part of the output because they have been embedded into the data frame, and that's why they are the part of data frame. So this is the simple, we have just taken a comprehensive examples. First is how to create the data frame, and then is we have taken two examples how to create the data frame, and then solved two examples. So I think the session will be quite fruitful, and if you still find some doubt, clear, so I am available on my number also, so you can put up queries if you have any. Thank you very much, and take care of your health. Thank you very much.